we are going to need a cup of wheat flour, 1/3 cup, oat trail, 1/3, half cup of ground vanilla or hair sugar, 1/4 all milk, coconut oil, a little vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, chocolate chips, and next linaza. The linaza egg is easy to make. Just add 1 taps of linaza into taps of water mix, and it is ready. It is ready as essential. We have all our ingredients and we are going to take about on this solid wheat mix. All ingredients, solid ingredients. This. When we have the dry ingredients and absolute dry ingredients, complete mix, it we put other ingredients and mix very well. And very well mixed. It's time to put the chocolate chips. That's right. Now we are going to put a cooking pan under ready track pan press and with coconut oil. Is with your hands. Put like this. Put like this. Stain the cooking pot with the pen. It has to look like this. Already have our cooking, but we just have to put it on fire under 20-14 minutes. With the fire very low and cover it 15 minutes and 56 minutes passing it and it is ready. Finish the recipe.